Take him off. We know you.
There's a man of mystery that's roaming through the land. Ooh. Far and near you hear of him, he's found on every hand. Every city, town, and village knows of him by now. There's a way to recognize him, let me tell you how. If you're past that midnight dark by a graveyard road and someone whistles, that's mysterious mouse. Or on a dark and stormy night while the tempest blows, if someone whistles, oh, that's mysterious mouse. He sees all, he knows all, he gets in everywhere. Some night he might wait for you up on the stairs, so when you're going down the cellar, walk upon your toes. And if someone whistles, well, that's mysterious mouse.
Everybody's talking of me everywhere you go.
Who I am or what I am, nobody seems to know.
In the mountains, at the seashore, anywhere at all, any time of day or night, you're apt to hear me call. Yeah, now you know, but you know.
That's mysterious, Mose. That's mysterious, Mose.
That's mysterious, Mose.